This TikTok channel is pulling millions of views from the simplest niche ever. No face, no voice, no expensive setup, just rusty objects turning brand new again. That is it. And people cannot stop watching. Such accounts are growing very fast by just posting AI-generated rust cleaning transformations. Old tools, destroyed metal, extreme corrosion. Then boom, smooth, shiny, perfectly polished metal in seconds. And today, I am showing you how to recreate such videos in under 60 seconds using one simple workflow and only free AI tools. First, grab my master prompt from the link in the description. Copy the entire thing. Now open ChatGPT and paste it. Instantly, it will generate 10 different rusty object ideas for you. Hammers, wrenches, chains, antique keys, metal doors. For this demo, just type the number of the object you want. I will choose number 4, a padlock. Now ChatGPT gives you two things: a detailed image prompt for the rusty version and a cinematic transformation prompt for the cleaning video. This is where the magic starts. Next, head to Flow AI by Google, which gives you 100 credits on a free plan, enough to create up to 5 videos and create a new project. Click Create Image. Choose the Nano Banana Pro image model. Set your aspect ratio to vertical for TikTok. Select multiple outputs so you get options. Now paste the rusty padlock image prompt and hit Generate. Within seconds, you will see multiple versions of a heavily corroded padlock. Choose the one that looks the worst: deep rust, flaking metal, maximum damage. The more extreme it looks, the more satisfying the transformation will feel. Download that image. Now go back and switch to video mode. Select frames to video and make sure the aspect ratio is set to portrait. Set the number of videos per generation to 1 to maximize credits. Upload the rusty padlock as the start frame. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the transformation video prompt, then paste it here. Hit Generate. Watch this carefully. The rust slowly dissolves. The surface becomes smooth. The metal starts reflecting light. And suddenly, you have a brand new polished padlock that looks factory fresh. It feels real. It feels satisfying. And that is exactly why these videos go viral. Post consistently. Focus on dramatic damage. Keep transformations smooth and clean. And always optimize for vertical viewing. That is how you create viral, rusty AI transformation videos in under a minute using one streamlined system. Subscribe for more viral niche hacks like this.